Hello and welcome back to Easy How-To Videos, your go-to place for helpful how-to videos. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of exporting your videos using CapCut Desktop. Let's get started. Before we dive into exporting, make sure you have your project open in CapCut Desktop. Take a moment to review your project one last time to ensure everything is as you want it. Check for any errors and make sure your audio is just right and that your video looks fantastic. Once you are satisfied with your project, it's time to export. To do this, click on the Export button. You will usually find it on the top right corner of the interface. Now, let's configure your export setting. CapCut Desktop offers several options. Resolution. Select the resolution you want for your video. Higher resolution offers better quality, but result in larger file size. Bitrate. This determines the video quality. Higher bitrate means better quality, but larger file size. Format. You can choose the video format for your export. Common choice include MP4, MOV, and AVI. Frame rate. Stick with the frame rate you use during editing to maintain consistency. Output location. Choose where you want to save your export video. Before you hit the export button, give your video a name and specify where you want it to be saved on your computer. Finally, click on the Export or Start button to begin the export process. CapCut Desktop will start rendering your video based on the settings you've chosen. Congratulations, you've successfully exported your video. Now you can share it with your audience on YouTube, Vimeo, social media, or wherever you like. That's wrap up our tutorial on exporting your video using CapCut Desktop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any question, and be sure to subscribe for more valuable how-to content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.